Take a ride in the 2020 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, remote keyless entry, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.